Seedlings versus seeds. Choosing between seedlings and seeds can impact your garden success. We discuss the pros and cons of each option and provide guidance on where to source quality seedlings. High-yield varieties. To make the most of your confined space, we recommend high-yield vegetable and fruit varieties that produce abundant harvests in limited areas. We also touch on the importance of heirloom and open-pollinated seeds. Choosing the right seeds. Selecting the right seeds is crucial for a successful confined space garden. You want plants that thrive in your specific conditions and provide the best yield. Here's how to make informed choices. Understanding plant needs. Different plants have varying requirements for space, light, and nutrients. Research the specific needs of the plants you want to grow. Consider factors like growth habits, bushy, vining, compact, maturation times, and space requirements. Open-pollinated versus hybrid seeds. Open-pollinated seeds are a sustainable choice because you can save and replant their seeds year after year. Hybrid seeds, while often producing high yields, may not breed true in subsequent generations. Decide which type aligns with your long-term gardening goals. Starting seeds indoors in confined spaces. Starting seeds indoors can give your plants a head start. Invest in seed trays or small containers with a good seed starting mix. Place them near a sunny window or under grow lights. Hardening off. When your seedlings are ready for transplanting, they need to be gradually exposed to outdoor conditions in a process called hardening off. This step ensures they adapt to the potentially harsher environment outside. Seedling care. Care for your seedlings with gentle watering and proper lighting. Keep an eye on their growth, and when they've reached an appropriate size and the weather is favorable, transplant them into your outdoor containers or raised beds. Organic seedlings versus non-organic. There are many advantages to using organic seedlings over non-organic seedlings, including healthier plants. Organic seedlings are grown without the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers. This means that they are less likely to contain harmful chemicals that could be absorbed by your plants and end up in your food. Stronger root systems. Organic seedlings are typically grown in pots or trays that are smaller than the pots or trays used for conventional seedlings. This forces the seedlings to develop stronger root systems in order to access water and nutrients. More resilient plants. Organic seedlings are grown in a more natural environment, which helps them to develop stronger immune systems and become more resilient to pests and diseases. Better flavor. Organic fruits and vegetables are often said to have a better flavor than non-organic fruits and vegetables. This is because organic plants are more stressed, which causes them to produce more flavor compounds. Better for the environment. Organic farming practices are better for the environment than conventional farming practices. Organic farms do not use synthetic pesticides or herbicides, which can pollute water and soil. Organic farms also build healthy soil, which helps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. In addition to these advantages, organic seedlings can also be a good choice for gardeners who are new to gardening. Organic seedlings are often more mature and stronger than non-organic seedlings, which makes them easier to transplant and care for. If you are looking for seedlings that are healthier, stronger, more resilient, and better for the environment, then organic seedlings are the best choice for you.